Welcome back. Another episode of Tara's Toolbox. If you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe and you hit that notification bell because I'm going to be dropping videos all about tools, all about building, all about creating, all about business. That's what we about. This is the man's channel. If you're a man, you got to smash that subscribe button for real. But today, we're going to be talking about this here. And just in case you guys don't know what this is a staple gun. It's the Milwaukee Crown Stapler. Now, in my Home Depot, they just now started stocking these, but it's been out for a while. I don't know exactly how long it's been out, but it's been out for a little while. And what it is it's a Crown staple gun. I've purchased like every single corded staple gun Home Depot has, and none of them gave me the service that I needed. All of them jammed up like after maybe five staples, it'll jam up on me. And then I would have to use a screwdriver to try to pluck the staples out. Man, that's some bullshit. Now, let's start off by talking about features. The features of the gun. Now, it's pretty nice and sturdy and heavy. It feels like it won't break if you drop it off of a ladder. But yeah, it has the M12 battery, which is this. Can you guys see that? Focus, focus. All right. And it also has a nice belt clip. You can clip it safely on your belt. Don't have to worry about putting it on the edge of your ladder and it falling off the ladder. It also has a safety mechanism right here where you can't shoot staples unless this piece right here is pressed in like that. And it also acts as a guide. As you can see, there's a little guide there, and wherever you put this, that's where the staple is going to go. Great. And it also has a nice little battery indicator right here. See, it's lit up because I'm fully charged, baby. Yep. And it also has a power control right here. You can control how deep the nails go into the material and how much you want it to not go into the material. I guess you would call that the strength of it. But yeah, this thing is pretty nice. The bottom part is where you would load and unload the staples. It has a clip right here where you smash it together and then you pull it out. And then you can actually just load your staples in this part right here. They go in there face up. And then after you get them in there, you push this clip back in until it snaps. And now you locked and loaded and you're ready to go get it. And also, it's pretty fast. I'm gonna show you guys. Got a piece of paper on the wall back here, and I'm gonna show you how fast this thing can staple. This did not give me any problems, and it sinks the staples in the material perfectly. You don't have those staples that go in there and they be looking like this. Staples go in the material looking all scared. But this right here sinks it perfectly. Perfect line every time. Milwaukee Crown Stapler. So make sure you pick one of these up. And if they don't have them in your local Home Depot, you can click the link in the description and order yours from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. And if it's not there, just let me know, because sometimes I forget when I upload my video to put the links in the description. That's just so much work. But yeah, make sure that you subscribe, because this is Tara's Toolbox. We're going to be dropping some of the latest and some of the greatest videos, you know, and we out.
This ain't living, no it ain't, and that's why I gotta go hard in the paint. This can't kill me, no it won't. I gotta keep my head up when I walk back and forth like a